I'm Mel from 2 Sleepyheads, and today I'll be showing how to create this typography design in Adobe Illustrator. Alright, let's go. Alright, first up we're just going to create a text. So you can see we did the same thing, we created color palettes on top of our artboard. Let's use the word trust, change the font to BBOS, which is a very popular font a few years ago for graphic designers. Okay, let's centralize it. And then we will select the text, go to 3D material, the classic 3D material, extrude and bevel. So from here we will adjust the position, so it depends on what position you want the text to be facing. So this is really up to you. So you want it to angle like an asymmetric left, so that it's facing. You can also adjust the angle using the cube with your arrows, and we increase the depth to 80. And yeah, so just nice. We want the 3D to be black in color, but we want to change the color of the front, so we expand the appearance. Use the direct selection tool and select the front surface and change the color. So for this, I think it looks good with this off-white color. So yeah, I'm gonna change it all to this color. It looks pretty nice. I don't have to change the insides because the black looks really good. So this is it. Very simple. Probably need 3 minutes to do it. Let me know what you think. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Do follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also visit our website. You drop us a DM or email if you need any help with creative services. Also, if you really want to support channel, to buy us a virtual coffee. Links is in the show notes below. And also, if you want to learn how to better your design skills, do like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Till then, bye!